Okay, so the first thing to do is get your wrap, and it has to be the same size or a bit larger than the bowl, the vessel. And then you just hold one side on. So wait, I'll do it on your side so that you can see. So hold this, this is the first step, the holding side. And then with the other hand, you stretch it over. Okay. And then once it's stretched, it's stuck. So that's it. Now I'll show you another way as well. Okay, so start again, put the side. Now, if this was a big bowl, it might be hard for me to stretch it all with one hand. So what you can do in the beginning is hold it with your tummy. So you just press it and then just stretch it over like that with two hands. And that can be a lot easier in the beginning. Another way to get it on is start with your edge, holding, and then if it's a really big bowl, you can twist it, see, over the lid. I'm stretching as I go, and as I stretch, it sticks. Okay, you can also use it as baking paper and to wrap things up. Now, if you're going to wrap something up, like a sandwich or half a piece of fruit or something like that, it doesn't wrap exactly the same as like plastic wrap. It, you know, it looks a bit messier, but it does work. So you can use it for that as well. And then in the oven, it can go up to 240 degrees. So when you're making cakes or biscuits or, you know, roast potatoes or anything like that, you just pop it on the baking tray instead of paper, and then put your items on top. When you get it out of the oven, it will just be really easy to wash. So there's the tips.